Namaste. Let us know the law of pure consciousness. The law is based on the fact that we are, in our essential state, pure conscious. Pure consciousness is also pure potentiality. It is a field of all possibilities and infinite creativity. Pure consciousness is our spiritual essence. Being infinite and unbounded, it is also pure joy. Other attributes of consciousness are pure knowledge, infinite silence, perfect balance, invisibility, simplicity, and bliss. This is our essential nature. Our essential nature is one of the pure consciousness effect. How can we apply the law of pure consciousness into our life? One way to access the field is through the daily practice of silence, meditation, and non judgment. Spending time in nature will also give you access to the qualities inherent in the field: infinite creativity, freedom, and bliss. Practicing silence means making a commitment to take a certain amount of time to be simply be you yourself. Experiencing silence means periodically withdrawing from the activity of speech. It also means periodically withdrawing from such activities as watching television, listening to music, or reading a book. If you never give yourself the opportunity to experience silence, this creates turbulence in your internal dialogue. There has become an addiction in today's lifestyle to pick up phone every moment. So practicing silence by keeping the phone on silent mode for some time will help you to establish the state of consciousness. Set aside a little time every once in a while to experience silence. Simply make a commitment to maintain silence for a certain period each day. It can be 2 hours, 1 hour, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, depending on your schedule. But experience silence for an extended period of time. This will even help you to go further inside into your pure consciousness. This will help you to create an internal dialogues between yourself and subconscious self and consciousness. A sense of urgency and anxiety suddenly come over, but we can create silence slowly and steadily and get associated with your own self, which is also called in Vedanta Upanishad true Brahman, where you are just knowing your own reality, own potentiality, own consciousness. Start meditating with at least 30 minutes in the morning or 30 minutes in the evening. This meditation will help you to experience the field of pure silence and pure awareness. Pure silence is constantly related to inseparable connection with your own self. Imagine throwing a little stone into a still pond and watching it ripple. Then after a while, when the ripple settles down, perhaps you throw another little stone. That's exactly what you do when you go into the field of pure silence and introduce your own intentions. In this silence, even the subtle intention will ripple across the underlying ground of universal consciousness, which connects everything with everything else. If you do not experience silence in consciousness, your mind is like a turbulent ocean. You could throw the entire state building into it, but you will not notice a single turbulence happening in it. In the Bible, it is also mentioned, "Be still and know that I am God." Another way to access the field of pure consciousness is through practice of non-judgment. Judgment is a constant evaluation of things as right or wrong, good or bad. When you're constantly evaluating, classifying, labeling, analyzing, you create a lot of turbulence in your internal dialogue. This turbulence consists and constrict the flow of energy between you and pure consciousness. So, they basically is a thought which is created between those consciousness effect. The gap to fill in is through your own pure potentiality, your own state of pure awareness, the silent space you create between your thought, the inner stillness you connect to true power. And when you squeeze the gap, you squeeze your connection to the field of pure potentiality and infinite creativity. Say to yourself, today I shall judge nothing than others. Non-judgment creates silence in your mind. It is a good idea to begin the day with this statement, isn't it? For the next 2 hours, I won't judge anything. I will experience non-judgment. This is the way we can create connection with our own self. Wherever you go in the midst of movement and activity, you will carry a stillness within you. Then the chaotic movement around you will never overshadow your access to the reservoir of creativity, the field of pure consciousness and potentiality. Namaste.